Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the grocery lists in your 30-day quicker dinners blueprint. You can navigate to the grocery lists in the ingredients table, and the views are this week's grocery list, next week's grocery list, and 2 weeks away. Again, these update in real time, so this week's is for your current weeks. Next week's will be this week's. This list is broken down by department to make it easier when you are grocery shopping. So you'll see we have all our produce. Unfortunately, things like onions that are in multiple recipes have to be separate for the way this is set up. I wish there had been a workaround, but there wasn't. So it's broken down by department to make your grocery shopping easier, and everything is listed out by item within those departments. You have the item, you have the amount of each item needed, and then you have a checkbox that you'll check off once you've purchased each item, and it will disappear. And of course, you have the recipe that it's associated with. So when you check it, you'll see I'm about to put a little check mark in there. It will disappear from your list. Now, if you accidentally delete it and you didn't mean to, you can go into the master list. And this is a master of every single ingredient in every single recipe that is in this blueprint. And you'll simply go down to the item that you accidentally listed as purchased. You'll check it, and then if you go back to your list, you'll see that it's right back where it started. Now, it's also nice to be able to search out individual ingredients, which you can do in the upper left-hand corner at that little magnifying glass. You'll type in what you're looking for and use the arrows to get to wherever it's listed in there, and it'll take you up and down to it so that you can get to it if you need it. And then you can X out of that when you're done. Now, if you want to print your grocery list and take the paper with you, you'll simply go up to this week's grocery list view, and you'll click on that and choose Print View. It's going to pop up this screen that'll show you some settings, and you'll press Print. And then it will take you to the actual printing screen prompt, where you're going to see exactly what it's going to look like, and you'll see all the specific settings to your printer there. So you'll press Print, and it will print the list out for you, and then you can X out of this print settings window that had opened, and you'll have your list ready to go. I hope you found this video helpful. Be sure to click subscribe so that you'll be notified when more videos are added, and make sure you follow The Life Jolie on Instagram and my website www.thelifejolie.com for more simple and delicious recipes.